Okay, in this video we will be unboxing the Nokia Android TV streaming box 8000, and this is a 4K streaming box, and it basically makes a television that doesn't have this Android smart TV features in it, a smart TV. It's a very good device for 80 euros, under 100 euros. So if you have a TV but it's lacking all those smart TV features, this one might be a good one to buy for you. So it's this small square box. It needs a power outlet thingy here. It has one USB port on the left side, and here in the back there's power, VLAN, HDMI, some AV output, an audio output, and a USB-C port here. And this device works on its own remote. Here's the instructions. And it's also backlit, so that's a very nice feature for it too. So let's put the batteries in here. And I think it's a Bluetooth remote because it doesn't really need the infrared sensor, or I don't see it having an infrared sensor here. So it has a backlit. So it can be really seen in the lightness, but anyway, it has that. It has HDMI cable and the power thingy, and of course this dry battery, and there's nothing else here. So that's basically how it is. So